Xerox AltaLink B8270 monochrome multifunction printer family. How to replace the drum assemblies. All drum assemblies are removed in the same manner. Switch the machine off and disconnect the power cable. The drum assemblies are sensitive to light. If not replacing the drum, keep it covered. Open the front cover. Remove the waste toner transport assembly. Remove the drum assembly by raising the developer assembly lever. Press the release tab and slide the assembly out of the machine. To replace the assembly, follow these instructions in reverse order.